Good morning friends, my name is Rohini Tandava Kharat. I am studying in standard 12 and today I am here to introduce you that how coaching classes are being a need of today's generation. Student life is the best time where we can study interesting and unknown things. But it is a sensitive time too because students need proper guidance. Nowadays students are disturbed due to the developing educational system, huge syllabus as well as the most suffering thing is the pressure by parents. Even if we say that there is not a thing like pressure, but the parents are careful about the future of students, which makes them to force the children time to time and realize them about the importance of their studies. This creates certain unpleasant environment for the students and in this condition there arises a need of a guide who simplifies the thing for the students and makes them to travel in the right direction. And this essentiality is provided by coaching classes. I read somewhere that a coach is a person who trains students to compete in a particular field. But now I came to realize that a coach is not only a person who helps the student to survive in competition, but he is also a person who picks up the student in every his negative situation and makes him mentally strong for facing the further problems and challenges of life. There are many students who think that they aren't capable of doing the things, but it's coaching class who makes them realize that what the potential they have inside them and bring the best out of them. Well, coaching is a method which focuses on present and here rather than past or future, and it really stands on the definition that coaching does not focus on the past of the students. Even if it is bad, they will try to make it better, and if it is good, they will surely make him the best. Okay, they will make him surely the best because the students really have that potential, and coaching classes just try to develop it and make the child better. And if the child is trying daily on his dreams, working on his dreams, then surely there will be one day which owns him with his success, and it's sure. Okay, so now there are many complex things in the syllabus, and they are so complex that students get nervous many times. It is a coaching class who makes them simplified and easy with the help of daily teaching. They also guides the student in the right way, and they are careful that students should not mislead and they should not go out of their way and out of their track of the success. Due to this thing, students feel a secured feeling in a coaching class. Coaching classes provide individual time for students with the help of an expert, which helps to enrich their educational experience. Okay, so coaching classes provides mock tests, daily question papers, subject wise papers, and also practice material which helps the child to realize his mistakes and work on them properly. Okay, so again what we can say, coaching classes helps the child in every way he needs. Always there is a coaching class who is behind him to support them, and this feeling is very important when we are preparing for huge competitive exams. Many coaching institute promotes group discussion which helps in creating opportunities of learning from each other and developing the skills of collaboration and sharing. It also helps to increase one's confidence. So coaching classes are helpful for students in all the way. Coaching classes does not end with teaching whatever that is present in the syllabus, but it focuses that every child must develop his own view on that particular topic. Every child must develop his own view, and that is the aim of a coaching class. The purpose of coaching class is to unlock the potential inside that child, and to make him great in his own performance. They will try to make that child the best. Coaching classes focus on learning rather than teaching or telling them. They focus on learning. Coaching classes have always seen the benefits of students, and they have proved it that even in this hard time of even in this hard time of national barrier, the students have not faced a huge loss, educational loss, because our coaching classes have brought the solution of online coaching classes as soon as possible, and in this way students can learn more effectively than offline classes, and the exams and classes are continuous, which helps the students to maintain a continuity in their studies. Not only this, many coaching classes are organizing online motivational speeches for the students, which helps the student to stick on their goal and work with full continuity on their studies. So this is very important, because while preparing we need time to time motivation, and it is provided by our coaching class. And at last I would like to say that every coaching class provides equal guidance, facilities, teaching and techniques to the child, but it is dependent on the child who is taking the things so effectively or not. The extracting capability of the child, his strong determination for that particular thing, and clearing his doubts time to time, practicing daily without missing it, these all things make the child to reach to his success. And if a child follows all these things and has a straight direction about his goal, then no one can stop him, and I know he will surely win. He will surely win. In this way, coaching class provides smart tips and study advices by which students can always be the number one, even with everyone and in themselves. So in short, I would like to say, coaching class is a medium which helps to create a dream of child into a reality. Thank you, friends.